Welcome. I'm Dr. Johnson, your host. Just waiting for other people to join us, and we're going to get started. It's late Friday, and so moving forward, we'll most likely do this segment during the day around noon on Fridays. If you want to share the screen, press the button at the bottom of your show, at the bottom of the screen, and sharing is caring. If you have a friend that you think will benefit from this message, please tag them. Welcome. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I help women who want clear and even skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, follow me on Facebook.com/Dr. Sonia Johnson, DrSonyaJohnson. And today we're continuing our episode of Common Everyday Practices to Unmask Your Beauty. And we're talking about exfoliators, in particular mechanical exfoliators. I mentioned about exfoliators yesterday and how they actually do help the skin, such as with helping with oily skin, unclogging the pores, helping with fine lines and wrinkles, as well as with keeping you youthful and keeping the skin clear. So today with mechanical exfoliators, this is really a good things to do for people who really want that natural products, who are looking for a natural way to take care of their skin and keeping their skin healthy. And with mechanical exfoliators, you're thinking about number one, the salt crystals, which you can use with microdermabrasion. And what you need to be concerned about with salt crystals is how coarse they are. So you can actually purchase salt crystals, and some are sharper than others. And they're more sharper, they are, of course, more abrasive. They will be on the skin. So that's definitely something, if you see an esthetician, you want to work up to using the more coarse cut crystals. But again, that will help exfoliate the skin, and it's definitely a natural way of going about it. Another option will be sugar. And we mainly use sugar not on the face as much as on the body, like your heels, elbows. Those are really good areas. I'm sure someone uses them on the face, but usually we steer away from that because with the sugar crystals, we tend to mix those in oils. And again, you do not want to use certain oils on the face because it can clog the pores. Again, there's also the dermaplaning, which is an exfoliative type of procedure in which they have a blade and they hold it perpendicular to the skin and they scrape across the skin. Yes, that is operator dependent, so you want to make sure the person you see or that's going to perform that procedure on you is very well rehearsed and have done their share of procedures, so not to nick the skin. Again, another method includes besides your salt crystals, your sugar crystals, as well as the dermaplaning. Lastly would be a sponge. You can buy this at the store, and one side is very smooth, and you wash your face with that, but another side is more abrasive. And again, that is operator dependent, it's based on you, so you want to make sure you're not scrubbing too hard, because at the end of the day, with any mechanical exfoliator, it can cause scarring, scratch marks and some scarring on the skin if you're too aggressive or perform it too often. So I recommend using any type of mechanical exfoliator a couple of times a week, 2 to 3 times, and see how you do. If you notice after treatment, you feel a little burning sensation or sensitivity, back off. Just go to once a week. And so sort of play with it and see what's best for you. And again, you have to keep in mind what all products are you using on your face after you clean your face or do your exfoliation. Your retinoids, which are other exfoliators that you leave on, the some other salicylic acid cleaning products that we use to wash our face with. All those products which are also exfoliators, can burn too if you're using a mechanical exfoliator. So just keep all that in mind. Otherwise, any questions? Well, hello, Ms. Cheryl Bill. How are you doing? If anyone have any questions, please put that in the comments section, and I would definitely respond. Thank you all for spending this time with me and listening to this broadcast. Again, I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If you think that's you, follow me on facebook.com/Dr. Sonia Johnson, DrSonyaJohnson. Take care.